Look at this space. Quartz countertops, layered designer lighting, floor-to-ceiling windows with matte black trim, natural wood accents everywhere. You would assume this cost a fortune to build. But here's the truth nobody in this industry wants to admit out loud. Almost everything you see in this room costs less than a single weekend at a hotel. In 2026, the gap between a cheap-looking tiny home and a high-end one has almost nothing to do with money. It is about knowing 5 specific design secrets that most tiny home builders never learn. And today, you're getting all 5. Stay until secret number 5, because it is the one that pulls everything together, and it costs almost nothing. Before we dive in, if you're serious about tiny home living, hit subscribe right now. Every week we bring you honest, data-driven content with zero hype and zero fluff. Tap that notification bell so you never miss a video. And drop your questions in the comments below. I read every single one. Alright, let's get into it. Here is a number that will either excite you or terrify you, depending on where you stand. In 2026, the average tiny home build in the United States runs somewhere between $45,000 and $125,000, with professionally finished units easily pushing past that. DIY shell builds are starting around $35,000, while luxury turnkey units are now frequently hitting $150,000 or more once land prep costs are factored in. But here's what the Instagram feeds and glossy builder websites never show you. The look of a high-end tiny home and the actual cost of a high-end tiny home are 2 entirely different things. Design professionals figured this out decades ago. Now, the tiny home community is finally catching up. Today we are covering 5 concrete, actionable secrets that can make your tiny home look like it cost twice as much as it did. No gimmicks, no fantasy, just design principles that actually work. Secret number 1. And honestly, the single highest impact change you can make to any tiny home is lighting. And I do not mean just swapping a bulb. I mean layered lighting. Here is the mistake most builders make. They install one overhead light, usually a flat recessed grid, and call it done. In 2026, lighting designers have a name for this: dated. It creates flat, institutional spaces that feel anything but intentional. Luxury designers use a 3-layer system in every single room. Layer 1, ambient light, general illumination, your overhead source. For tiny homes, dimmable recessed LED panels are ideal because they do not steal headroom. Layer 2, task light, focused, functional light, under cabinet LED strips in the kitchen, a reading sconce above the bed, a directional pendant over the sink. Layer 3, accent light. This is where the magic happens. LED strips tucked under shelving, inside a toe kick, behind a TV panel, or along a ceiling recess create depth and drama that makes a tiny space feel curated, not cramped. Here is the detail that separates a good lighting setup from a great one. In 2026, professionals are increasingly moving beyond the traditional color rendering index, CRI, toward the TM 30-18 standard, which measures both color fidelity and color gamut more precisely. When shopping for LEDs, look for a CRI of 90 or above as a baseline. But if you want to go further, check the TM 30 Fidelity Index, which will tell you whether your wood tones, stone textures, and warm textiles will look rich and accurate at night, or muddy and flat. One more detail worth calling out in 2026. For accent and strip lighting, choose fixtures that are Matter compatible. Matter is the universal smart home standard now supported across all major platforms. Matter-compatible lights allow you to create automated scenes, morning glow, movie mode, evening wind down, controlled by voice or sensors, in a high-end tiny home. This level of intentionality in the lighting environment is part of what makes the space feel designed rather than assembled. The cost of a quality LED strip lighting system for a full room, including the driver, a high CRI strip, and a diffusing channel to eliminate hot spots and individual depth visibility, between $60 and $120. That is one of the highest return investments in any tiny home build. We are only on Secret 1, and you have already got a technique most designers charge thousands to deploy. Stay with me, it gets better. Secret number 2 is the one that surprises people the most. It involves something that looks like quartz, feels like stone, and costs almost nothing compared to the real material. In 2026, architectural vinyl film, also called interior film or surface wrap, has reached a level of realism that is genuinely difficult to distinguish from the real thing. We are talking self-adhesive films that replicate marble, granite, walnut, concrete, brushed brass, and leather, with texture, depth, and finish that passes inspection at arm's length. Here is the math. A genuine quartz countertop installation in a tiny kitchen runs from $1,500 to $3,000. A vinyl countertop wrap covering the same surface? Between $80 and $250 per roll for professional-grade material. And 2026 data from HomeAdvisor shows DIYers saving up to 80% compared to full countertop replacements. That range reflects high-quality textured films, such as 3M Di-Noc stone finishes, which have seen a price increase in 2026 but remain dramatically more affordable than the real materials they replicate. The same principle applies to cabinets. Instead of tearing out and replacing dated cabinetry, you wrap it. Matte black vinyl delivers a bold, modern kitchen. Warm oak grain film creates a Scandinavian look. Marble Effect wrap produces instant bathroom luxury. Leading brands in this space include 3M Di-Noc, Bodaq by Hyundai Living and Culture, and Cover Style. All have wide design libraries with heat and scratch resistance appropriate for kitchen environments. And a 2026 note worth mentioning on sustainability. The industry has responded to growing criticism of PVC-based materials. Professional-grade architectural films are now largely phthalate-free and designed to be recyclable at end of life. If environmental impact is part of your decision-making, and for many tiny home builders it is, this is a genuinely guilt-free upgrade compared to a full material replacement. Honest caveat: for countertops with heavy daily use, constant cutting, heavy pans, vinyl film is best treated as a medium-term solution, not permanent. Apply it primarily to vertical surfaces like cabinet doors and backsplashes for maximum longevity. On lower traffic horizontal surfaces like bathroom vanities, it performs beautifully for years. Secret 3 is the design principle that makes small spaces feel twice as big, and it costs absolutely nothing once you understand it. Secret number 3 separates tiny homes that feel like a shoebox from tiny homes that feel like a boutique hotel room. It is the art of visual space expansion, and it works because of how our brains actually perceive rooms. Environmental psychology research consistently shows that people are poor judges of actual square footage. What we perceive as spacious is driven more by light, ceiling height cues, sight lines, and visual continuity than by the actual dimensions of a room. A well-lit space with high visual ceilings will feel larger than a dark, low room, even when the dark room is physically bigger. In 2026, top tiny home designers use 4 specific tools to exploit this. Tool 1. Strategic mirror placement. A large mirror positioned opposite a window does not just reflect light. It creates the visual illusion of a room extension. In a tiny living area or bathroom, this is genuinely transformative. Mirrors from discount home stores run $30 to $150. The effect is priceless. Tool 2. Vertical lines and height cues. Tall, narrow elements draw the eye upward and make ceilings feel higher. Vertical shiplap. Floor-to-ceiling curtains hung at ceiling height rather than window height. And tall, open shelving all exploit this. This is why tiny homes with vaulted ceilings feel so dramatically different from flat ceiling designs of identical square footage. Tool 3. Continuous flooring. Using the same flooring material throughout with no transitions, thresholds, or breaks visually expands the footprint of any tiny home. Avoid rugs that fragment the floor plane in the living area until the space is large enough to benefit from zone definition. Tool 4. Floating furniture. Wall-mounted desks, floating TV consoles, and raised bed platforms that reveal floor underneath keep the floor plane visible. The more floor you can see, the larger any room reads. A low-profile sectional sofa, instead of a bulky standard one, serves the same purpose. Color plays into this too. In 2026, tiny home design is doubling down on neutral, nature-inspired palettes. Warm whites, light ash grays, dusty sage, soft terracotta. These tones reflect light better than saturated colors and create the breathing room that smaller spaces need. Secret 4 is the one builders skip because it seems unglamorous. But it is what all the expensive tiny homes quietly have in common. Here is the biggest financial mistake tiny home builders make, and it costs them thousands of dollars that could have been avoided. Most people try to fill a tiny home. They buy furniture, buy decor, buy gadgets, and the result is a space that looks crowded and cheap regardless of how much money gets spent. The approach that actually produces a high-end result is the opposite. Invest in surfaces, not stuff. In practice, here's the hierarchy that works. Spend more on hardware and fixtures, cabinet pulls, door handles, faucets, light switch covers, outlet plates. These are the details people touch and notice up close. A brushed brass cabinet pull from a smart supplier reads identically to a designer version at 3 times the price. Buy quality on these items, but shop intelligently. Spend more on one anchor surface per room. In the kitchen, it might be a genuine tile backsplash. In the living area, a single feature wall with reclaimed wood paneling or acoustic slat panels, which in 2026 deliver that warm, textured oak look for around $120 installed versus $900 for real stone or hardwood. In the bathroom, large format porcelain tile on a wet wall. Pick one moment of richness per space and build everything else around it modestly. Save on apartment-size appliances. They look identical to full size from a distance, and in 2026 compact energy-efficient models are genuinely excellent. Generic furniture pieces that will be covered by textiles, and decorative objects that you will replace with seasons anyway. The modular kitchen point deserves special mention. Pre-built modular kitchen units from systems like IKEA SEKTION line or ADU-focused suppliers allow you to achieve a custom-looking kitchen at a fraction of bespoke cabinetry cost. In 2026, modular systems combined with the right hardware and a vinyl wrap finish are nearly indistinguishable from custom builds. The math on this is striking. Custom cabinetry runs $5,000 to $8,000. A modular system with high-end pulls and a wrap finish lands around $400. The principle is simple. A room with 2 great things and a lot of restraint will always look more expensive than a room packed with average things. Tiny homes are the perfect environment for this, because there is less space to hide mediocrity and less space to hide quality either. And now Secret 5. This one ties everything together. It is the reason some tiny homes photograph like million-dollar properties, even when the total build cost was under $60,000. Secret number 5 is the difference between a tiny home that looks expensive and a tiny home that looks designed. Here is the truth about what makes a space feel high-end. It is not any one material. It is the relationship between all the materials. Designers call this a material palette, and getting it right is the single most important thing you can do for the overall feel of your tiny home. In 2026, the material pairings that consistently deliver a sophisticated, elevated result include the following. Pairing 1, matte black with warm wood, black framed windows, matte black hardware, warm oak or walnut surfaces. This is the contemporary modern language defining some of the most admired tiny homes on the market right now, including designs like the Onyx 2630 by Mint Tiny House Company, which uses this palette to deliver striking visual impact at a manageable price point. In 2026, builders are also incorporating 3D printed interior accents and biocomposite panels as budget-friendly ways to introduce texture and depth that used to require expensive masonry or custom millwork. Pairing 2, white with dark charcoal trim and stone texture base. On the exterior, this combination produces what designers describe as a sophisticated, expensive look on a modest budget. The contrast between stark white and dark trim with a natural stone texture base element creates visual richness that does not require expensive materials to execute. Pairing 3, birch plywood with linen and organic forms. The Scandinavian minimalist approach that has dominated high-end tiny home design for several years. Birch ply creates natural warmth and character. Linen textiles add softness and texture. Organic or curved forms in furniture and lighting round out a palette that feels warm, calm, and intentionally human. The rule: pick a maximum of 3 materials and 3 finishes, and stick to them everywhere throughout the home. Warm wood, white, and matte black, or stone, linen, and brass. Restraint is a luxury. When you see a tiny home that feels chaotic or cheap, it almost always comes down to too many competing materials that are not communicating with each other. And here is where all 5 secrets come together. When you combine layered lighting with vinyl film surfaces that match your palette, visual space techniques, strategic surface investment, and a disciplined material story, you get a result that looks like it costs 2 or 3 times your actual budget. Let's be straight with each other for a second, because that is what this channel is about. None of these secrets are magic. A tiny home still requires real planning, real work, and a real budget to build well. What these 5 principles do is dramatically improve the return on every dollar and every hour you invest. The tiny home market in 2026 spans from around $35,000 for basic DIY shell builds to well over $150,000 for premium professionally finished and land-prepped units. But the design quality across these price points is no longer determined purely by budget. It is determined by the decisions made with that budget. The people building the most beautiful tiny homes right now are not necessarily the ones spending the most money. They are the ones making intentional choices about lighting, surfaces, materials, and visual space. They understand that cohesion beats clutter, that great light beats great furniture, and that one excellent surface beats 10 average ones. Here is your quick recap of all 5 secrets. Secret 1. Layer your lighting, ambient, task, and accent with high CRI, TM30 rated, matter-compatible LEDs. A full room costs between $60 and $120. Secret 2. Architectural vinyl film, wrap cabinets, backsplashes, and vanities for a fraction of real material cost. Now phthalate-free and recyclable. Secret 3. Designed for the illusion of space. Mirrors, vertical lines, continuous flooring, floating furniture. Secret 4. Invest in surfaces, not stuff. Quality hardware plus 1 anchor surface per room. Save on everything else. Secret 5. Build a cohesive material story. 3 materials, 3 finishes, applied consistently throughout. Restraint is a luxury. 2026 quick reference. Cost comparison. Layered lighting, $1,200. Electrician, $85. Smart LED plus channels. Quartz counters, $2,500 plus. Installed, $180. Architectural film, custom cabinetry, $5,000 to $8,000. $400. Modular plus high-end pulls. Accent wall, $900. Stone or oak, $120. Acoustic slat panels. If this video gave you even one idea you can actually use, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are trying to build and live smarter. Subscribe if you have not already. We publish honest, research-backed tiny home and DIY content every single week. No sponsored fluff. No fantasy builds. Just real information you can actually use. And leave a comment below. Which of these 5 secrets surprised you most? My guess is secret 2, the vinyl film, because most people have no idea how good that technology has gotten in 2026, or that it is now genuinely sustainable. Until next time, build smart, live intentionally, and do not let anyone tell you a small home cannot be a beautiful home.